Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. I'm Zachary and I'm 4 years old. Today we are going to do a delicious, yummy dipping sauce today. So we are doing an Avocado Ranch sauce. Here we go. We are in the Sauce and Gravy channel. Welcome to the channel. Okay, first we'll put on those avocados. Good. First of all, let's add all that avocado in. We are scooping in this avocado. The avocado is green and perfect. Okay, now we're doing the next one out of our whole avocado. Ranch avocado sauce, and here we come. We're scooping out the avocado out of the green to make delicious sauce out of avocado. And if pressed, add some ranch dressing. Now, we're having to put in a little lemon juice just out for the taste of the avocado sauce. Okay, now put that mayonnaise in and press the subscribe button for the list of the ingredients. First, add a little mayonnaise in there. And after all of mayonnaise startings, add some sour cream. After all the mayonnaise, just scrape a little of the mayonnaise out, and next put the sour cream in. Okay, so this sour cream only gives a little taste out of the sauce. Okay. Well, scooping in the sour cream, trying to not mess up on the side of the bowl. So, okay. Now we're scooping in all the sour cream. We're mixing it up all in. And we always have to look if there's anything on the side, because we don't like things on the side of our bowl. Next, stop the blender and continue to roll it a little more. Continue it to roll a little bit, then stop, and then scrape the sides for a minute. And then we're doing this yummy sauce and gravy channel. First, we're wiping up the shirt, and just for the taste of it, just add a little blending start in there. Good. Blending. Turn the blender around for a few minutes. Stop the blender. Continue it for a few minutes. Look how smooth and silky this is. We're getting our taste out of the sauce, and I am really happy when I taste it. And thumbs up out for delivery. If you ever want to watch the sauce, press that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. This is the best sauce in the world.